Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply filters to narrow down your search on the Vrbo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and tap on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and then tap on this search bar at the top. After that, type in the location or your destination and the check-in and check-out date, and click on the select button. Select the number of guests and tap on the view results button. So here you can see the available apartments, and at the top you can see the filters button, so tap on it and select the price range, either price per night or total price. Select the minimum bedrooms, the bathrooms, rooms and spaces such as kitchen, dining room, living room, outdoor space. You can also apply a free cancellation filter. You can apply features and amenities such as hot tub, parking, interview or Wi-Fi, and so on. You can also add property reviews, like rate it highly for cleanliness or for location. You can add house rules, properties good for, neighborhoods, location, and so on. The property type can be selected, as well as the nearby activities and a bunch of other options. Tap on the done button in order to apply your filters, and here you will be able to see the relevant results at the top, applying to your set preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.